In this video, I'm going to show you how you can translate the YouTube subtitles or closed captions into the other languages, and above all, the method is absolutely free. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. First of all, you need to download the subtitles file of your YouTube video, and for that you need to follow these steps. I'm going to download the subtitles of this video by clicking the edit, then clicking more options, and over here you will see the subtitles. This video has two. One is the automatic, which was generated by YouTube, and the other one is fed by me. Both are in English. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to download the automatic subtitle file. So I'm going to click these three vertical dots and click download. Save the file. Now you need to go to this website. I'm going to give the link in the description below. This link would be available. So once you click that link, you will reach this web page. Now here you can drop the file, SRT file here, or you can just double click this box and you can browse the file from your computer. So I've just opened that file which I've downloaded. So it is going to open the file, subtitle files. As you can see that it has the timestamps also from into, or the original text is available in English. Right now the translated text is also in English because I have not selected any language. So it is, this website uses the Google Translate feature, with the help of which it automatically translates your text into any other language. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to convert this original English language into Arabic. So what you need to do is that you need to select the translator. By default it is Google. However, if you want, you can select the Microsoft and Yandex translator also, but I'm going to keep it as Google. And then from the languages, you need to select your desired language. I'm going to select Arabic. So it is going to take some time, and it is going to translate this text into the Arabic. So now this is the original text, this is the translated text. You can align the text also, meaning by that you can right line, like in case of Arabic, since it is written from right to left, you can just make that right align. So now you can save this Arabic closed caption or SRT file by clicking the save as and then giving the name. Now let me show you this translated file which I've just downloaded. You can just right click and open with the notepad, and as you can see that along with the timestamps, now the subtitles are in Arabic. Now you can upload the translated SRT file into your video by clicking the edit button, again going back to more options, and then clicking subtitles, clicking add language. From here you need to select the language, which was Arabic in our case, and now you can just press this add. It will open a new window like this one. From here you can upload the file, click choose file, click upload. Now as you can see that our subtitles in Arabic are displayed here. You just need to now press this publish button, and now as you can see that our subtitles in Arabic are now available, and from the subtitles option we can select the Arabic. Now I have selected the Arabic. I'm just going to mute this video and click the play button, and as you can see that now the subtitles are displayed in Arabic instead of English. So that's how you can translate the YouTube subtitles into other languages with the help of this website. Thank you for watching this video till the end. If you like this video, hit the like button, share and subscribe.